Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing AVVH, AXTG, BRLL, CYBL, CYDY, EEGI, FDVRF, FERN, GVSI, ICOA, ILUS, PHBI, PSRU, and TGGI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you go and you click on the symbol or the gain percentage, you can see our original profile when we talked about ENZC in this case. Everything is date and time stamped on the site. So we're the real deal. We're not Monday morning quarterbacking here. And last year was an incredible time to be an OTC stock investor. And we think that this coming fall season is going to be just as hot. But once you sign up with your email, and that is free, and then you sign up, you can sign up with your mobile number. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times if something hot comes across our desk and we want to get it out to our subscribers right away, we will send a text-only alert. So it's best to sign up with both your email and your mobile number, and the best part is that both of our services are free. With that being said, like I said, I think this OTC market is going to be extremely hot this fall. If you watched my video yesterday, I was a little bit discouraged by what was happening, the first 4 days, Monday through Thursday, not a lot. And then yesterday, Friday, was just incredible. I mean, green, pretty much across the board. A lot of our plays really running. The big one, which I'll get into here in a little bit, is ILUS. I've been pounding the table on this one for everyone since, last month. You can go into the magnifying glass, type in the symbol ILUS. It's been all over my videos, articles. I mean, we've been pounding the table on ILUS. It was 4 cents last month, ran to 28 cents. I mean, you're up 600%. And it wasn't overnight. It took over a month to play out. But that's what we're looking for. I mean, these are the types of plays we want. We don't want these one and done, these huge pops and then drops. I mean, those pump and dumps, we try to stay away from, you want to stay away from them. If you can catch the move, great. But, that's more day trading, and we're not day tradings. We're swing traders. We're trying to get in early and then let the momentum play out. ILUS is a textbook case of what we're looking for here on at InsiderFinancial.com. So if you listen to me, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but you rode the ILUS wave. Congratulations. Very, very happy for you. But we're going to dive in here, starting with AVVH. Basically, this has been a nice runner from just above 2 cents to almost 6 cents. Share cancellations. I mean, whenever shares are getting canceled. That's always a positive. Less stock that can be sold into the market. Removing shares, that's always huge news. CEO Miguel Sanchez, he's buddies with billionaire Rockets owner Tillman Fertitta. There's a few photos of them going across social media at Mastro's, having dinner together. I mean, he's talking to the man. Tillman just sold Golden Nugget Online to DraftKings. He owns Landry's, the casinos. He's the real deal, multi-billionaire. And when you're having dinner at that level, that's a sign that you're a player. So AVVH is definitely the real deal. AXTG, really great move here. This one's up 450% this week, from 2 cents to 11 cents. This is a DeFi play. It's got just a $31 million market cap. They were out with NFT news. They're going to be making NFTs linked to Roger Maris and Babe Ruth. They're going to get I think a 25% cut of all proceeds. This is huge. So, NFTs, DeFi, this is where you want to be right now. And at a $31 million market cap, this is about one of the cheapest ways to play this NFT boom. I think, what are they doing right now? $1 billion a month in NFT sales? This is huge. So AXTG is positioned in the sweet spot, and if you're looking for a penny stock to play the NFTs, AXTG is certainly one of the best ones to play it. BRLL, I've been talking about this one, guys, for the past week now. Selling basically exhausted. They're working on getting current. It's just been a nice creeper every day. It bottomed out on the 9th at 0.0141, and it's just been climbing up every day, nice and steady. And we like these nice and steady runners. CYBL, another one with share cancellations. It is now current. The shell risk designation was removed. New highs. Everyone's in the green on CYBL. So this is what we like to see. New highs. Congrats to all in CYBL. CYDY, finally looks like the bottom is in. This has been a tough one, but now making a nice move up off the 120 level, closed above $2, closed right at the highs. Very big move. We like to see that. Our biotech analyst, Chris Sandberg, he's been pounding the table over the summer to load up on the dip. He's been proven right. You can go and see what he has to say on CYDY, and we're looking for a new article from Chris coming out shortly here on CYDY. Congrats to all that loaded up on the dip. What else we got here? EEGI, this is another one working on getting current. Attorney letter dropped. Attorney letter was posted. Filing's getting ready to drop. This has been a nice steady climber. It's in the double zeros. Risk reward setup here on this one looks great. FDVRF, I talked about this one in the video yesterday before the bell. Guys, I always, my videos, they come before the bell. This is when, I try to, wake up early, get them out, to you guys, anywhere from, midnight to, 5 a.m., depending on what my sleep schedule's like. You really want to get this information before the bell. After the bell, it doesn't help you any. I mean, I'm not trying to, I'm trying to give you guys actionable advice here. This is why I'm running down, several stocks for you, trying to help you guys as much as possible and, steer you in the right direction. And I'm talking about what's working. I'm not going to, get into the habit or I don't want to talk, the iHub guys, they're in a bull bear battle on dogs. The runners from last year that they're all buried in. I don't do that. I have no interest. I mean, I'm all about P&L. If it's not working, if it's a dog, I have zero interest in talking about it or focusing on it, investing in it, or recommending it to our subscribers. Our whole focus is on what's working, finding runners. If it's not running, I have no interest in it. Or if it's not about to run, there's nothing to talk about. So, I see a lot of these guys on Twitter. I mean, they're pounding the table on stocks that ran last year. I mean, people have gotten buried in them. I mean, you're trying to pump. It's like you're trying to pump a wet blanket. It's not. You can't pump it any further. So, you got to understand that in the OTC, when people talk about pump and dumps. Well, yeah, I mean, there's runs and then they die, and it's very hard to get them to run again. So you have to really realize that if you didn't catch that move, if you didn't sell, and it keeps dropping every day, you got to remember there's a lot of people, there's a lot of financings done on the OTC markets. There's guys with a lot lower cost averages than you guys. Humble, George Sharp, Forwardly, they just did a warrant conversion. I think their average price is 20 cents or 25 cents. I mean, that was an inside deal, so they got cheap stock. And I know it's 90 cents here. I mean, George, they're going to make money on that. So just you got to keep that in mind when it comes to trading OTC. And that's why we're really big fans here of what we're looking for. Is we're looking for the next runners. We're looking for the next ENZC, the next ABML, the next ALPP, the next HMBL. And I mean, we still like these, and we still think they're good companies, and they have still potential to run. But right now, there's nothing to talk about with them. I'm looking. Humble. We started talking about it at 0.027. Where did it close at Friday? Humble. It closed at 86 cents. I mean, if you got in at 0.027, and even if you didn't get out at $8, but you're still in here at 86 cents, you made a lot of money. So, I don't have interest in Humble at 86 cents. I'm not as excited about it as when it was, under 3 cents or 5 cents or 10 cents. I'm looking for that next play that can be the next Humble, that can go from, 2-3 cents to $8. And if the OTC gets hot again this fall, like I think it will, you're going to have plenty of those runners. And, let's see how it all plays out. But that's what I'm focused on right now for our subscribers. So, it's all about finding the next Humble, not being in the beating the drum of what, Humble's going to do today, tomorrow, what's up with Brian Foote. I mean, the easy money has already been made. So that's why you got to always have cash on the sidelines, and you got to be ready for these, to find the next big runner. And if you're buried in a play, and you don't have cash, then it means you're going to miss these next opportunities. So, friendly advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just trying to help you guys as much as possible. But on FDVRF, what's going on here? They've had a lot of legal issues. Looks like it's getting cleared up. Talked about it again, like I said, yesterday before the bell, and it was a 33% move yesterday. At one point, it was up to 383, backed off. It was basically a double at one point. So, if you listened to my advice, you watched my video, congrats, you made some money. FERN, it's a crypto mining play, trading up here near the highs, with BTC back over 48,000. These crypto plays are going to get hot again, and FERN is certainly one to play. GVSI, news out yesterday, George Sharp merger play news, got some court news. George was involved in the TSNP Humble. He brought that deal together. And, that's what the excitement is about GVSI, here at 4 cents, is that if he can merge a company in like Humble and recreate the magic that was last year. So that's what's happening in GVSI. And, this is why this is a play that you want to either be in already or certainly have on your radar to accumulate on any dips. ICOA, this is up 156% over the past 5 days. This is an M&A play focused on DeFi, blockchain, crypto. This is the place to be. This is where you want to be. Just been a nice runner here. It's only a penny. It's up from the double zeros. It's a 10 bagger, which congrats to all. We love these 10 baggers, but we like more the 20, 30, 40 baggers. So, definitely if they put in close some major deals, this one can really, really keep running. So definitely ICOA is one you want to have on your radar screen. ILUS, again, this is the one I've been pounding the table on. Congrats if you wrote it. They've closed 3 acquisitions this year already. They're getting ready to, they provided an update yesterday. They're getting ready to close on a major manufacturing facility, getting government contracts. This is in Europe. So this company's the real deal. They're doing things, and, it's the real deal. And, the Bears, they got nothing they can say about ILUS because they're executing, and congrats to all that are in ILUS and caught this 600% move from last month. PHBI, talked about this one this week. It has only a $10 million market cap. It's getting ready to merge with a California cannabis company that's set to do $10 million a year in revenue. So PHBI, 3 cents. This is a no-brainer. Once the merger happens, this one's going to be off and running. PSRU, this one's up 127% this week. This is another one transitioning to become a NFT play. So double zero, definitely one you want to keep your eye on and accumulate on any dips. Lastly is TGGI, new highs. Congratulations. Everyone's in the red on this one. We definitely like the price action in TGGI. We've covered this one on the site. Just go in the magnifying glass, type in TGGI, and you can get a sense of what we've had to say about this one. But other than that, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend. I am working all weekend. Going to have an alert for subscribers on Monday at the bell. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. I got right now 3, 4 that I'm looking at. Really, really like, but I'm going to go through more filings and do my research and, prepare the report and get it out to subscribers Monday at the bell. So make sure you are signed up with your email and your mobile number to get this next alert. So with that being said, I want to thank everyone for watching and listening. We're now also posting our videos or transcribing them to audio and posting on Spotify. They're also on Google Podcasts, waiting on Apple Podcasts, but you can just search for Insider Financial and you can see we're on Spotify. So if you don't have time to watch our YouTube video, you can listen to us while you're out in the car or running your errands. So thank you everyone for your support. Thank you for following us, subscribing. And we thank everyone, and we wish everyone a happy and safe weekend. Thanks again, and I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Bye-bye.